This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpiece. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent, gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot, the police and the firemen, I'm too hot.
Alright, here we go, we found the song, alright, big guy from South Carolina, you're up. Are you ready? I love his smile, he's got a great smile, I love it. Here we go.
What? Friend said, let's go. Dance go, I go, you know, I go psycho, let my new joy hit. Just can't sit, gotta get jiggy with it. That's all. Here we go,
Alright. Yeah, you're up, baby. Let's see what you got. Come on, straight up. You can sing that, so you won't want to hear that. Here you go, 30 seconds, that's all you need, 30 seconds. Here we go, 30 seconds, whatever you want. I thought it was conservative sweet, okay. Alright, so here you go. Now the decision has arrived, okay? What do you huh? How many people out there at TV land think that contestant number 1 should be the winner? Calm down. It's only for a drink. So far you have the lead, alright? Contestant number 2. Contestant number 3. Oh, stop it, will you? Contestant number 4. Wow. Contestant number 5. Wow, we're down to 3. You get 1 vote and 1 vote only. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 3. And contestant number 1. You're very shy, aren't you? All right, contestant number 1 is our winner, okay? And we are